It's good, brother.
Hey, how you doing? Good morning.
Good. How you doing, man?
As usual, I need to adjust my audio just a moment.
Okay.
Say something again.
Testing one, two, three. Testing one, two,
That's not the
three.
right one either, so it's got to be this one. Try one more time.
Testing one, two, three.
That is
Testing
it.
one, two.
That
Cool.
is it. Okay, good morning, YouTube. It is Monday, the 2nd of June. It is 7:19 a.m. We're just getting started with some beta trials still with the live streams. You will hear us interact with each other, take some trades, but these aren't the streams that we'll be doing once we get rolling in a few weeks' time. So bear with us, hang out if you want to. Otherwise, we're going to be here anyway. Okay.
Cool. Nice run up last night.
Yeah, I missed it. I stopped trading about 5 minutes after 9. Ended the session with 110, so not too bad.
Okay. Good.
Yeah, it would have been. I could have stuck around longer, but that real run up occurred overnight.
Exactly. Yeah.
No.
I think the minute I disconnected with you, I looked down, I saw a run. I was like,
Yeah,
what, really?
yeah, yeah,
Waiting all night for it, and it just happens. That's
yeah,
how it does you. Yeah.
yep. Um, Hang on, I'll pull up the briefing here. All right.
It has some room to run up, but we're kind of trying to go back. We're actually just been consolidating.
Yeah, right now. Yeah. So gold is enjoying its moment as the world's favorite panic room. With the dollar tripping over its own shoelaces and yields taking a nap, investors are clinging to gold like it's the last lifeboat on the Titanic. The usual suspects, geopolitical tensions, trade wars, and economic uncertainty are all present and accounted for, making gold the belle of the ball. Okay, so it sounds like a bullish overall sentiment. Uh, we are just below the WR1. That seems to be what's holding it down right now. And we're just below the WR1 and just above the DR2. Um,
Where's your WR1?
my WR1 is 3350.8.
I'm I'm 3348 on Plexi, so we're right above it on mine, just below it on yours.
Yep. I
So
have
we're
the
stopping.
DR2 at 3346.5.
I'm at 3345.36, so we're close, but it's
Yep.
still stuck.
Yep.
Even though mine is over the WR1, it's still there's a resistance there. I don't know. Can you see it on your chart?
The WR1.
Yeah, there's a red resistance that formed
Yeah.
at let me see, 3352.
Yeah.
That's exactly where we are now. It's
Right.
keeping it from going up. Hopefully, it can break one way or the other
If
because
it, if
right
it
now we're
breaks up
just
here, this might be
consolidating.
a buy though, right here.
Yeah, looks like it's trying to go back up, but it's.
Yeah.
Let's see. Got a nice run up. There's nothing really in the way after that.
Well, we've got a little resistance on the 15 minute, but it has a few pips before it gets there.
Yeah.
Probably up there by where the bear volume is here on the 10-second. Thinking about getting in here in a minute. I'm in.
You're in?
Nope, not yet. I meant to be. You gonna get in?
Not yet.
Okay. Yeah, good thing I didn't get in.
Yeah, there's no rush.
What are you thinking?
I'm not really in a rush to get in anything, you
Okay.
know?
All right.
I think I want to just sit back and see what it wants to do, and we'll catch the next run. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Until we get some real confirmation with some nice big momentum candles, it's no rush to get in.
We've got a 10 o'clock red folder.
Okay.
That's it. And a 10 o'clock orange folder. And then at 1 p.m., Powell speaks.
We'll be back for that, definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see how flat the wrinkle is, right?
Yeah.
And if you match it to the 10-second up against that orange resistance line,
Mm-hmm.
you know what I mean? It's nothing to get excited about or even, you know, consider yet. It did when I first sat down about 7 o'clock, it was at 33.72 on futures
Mm-hmm.
and 33.47 on spot. So it did go up, but it's just creeping. You know what I mean? So we're looking for some nice momentum. You would have been out on both of those trades.
Mm-hmm. All right, that was the 7:30 candle. Oh, look at that. We have resistance on the 5, the 15, and the 1 right now that we need to get through before these will be good trades. But a pretty thick resistance there on the 5. You know, there's 3 resistance zones stacked on top of each other. Your microphone's on mute. Looks like it might be the mute button on the Zoom itself rather than your headphones.
What about now?
Yeah, yep.
Okay, cool. We're waiting for a reversal, which looked like it just did it.
I was listening to a guy on YouTube last night who had 2 $7,000 payouts from FTMO.
I think we can buy here.
Okay.
Let me see what the next candle wants to do. Yeah, I think I'm going to buy. I'm sorry, what were you saying now?
I'll tell you after the trade. Gonna take a little or a lot?
I'm going up to the red to the orange line. And I'll take this as it's $10. I'll take it.
I took
What's this thing not letting me get out for?
40.
This is ridiculous.
It's not letting you out?
No,
That's crazy.
this is ridiculous.
How's it not? Which button are you pressing?
The close button. It's what? What is going on here? What just happened? I don't like that.
No.
I had $110 on profit and it gave me $4 because I couldn't get out.
$4?
Yes,
Jesus.
I don't like that at all.
How many accounts are you running?
I'm just doing that. That's just on a micro account.
Huh.
The other one paid me a couple $100, but this one is what?
That's weird. How did you get $100 some? I only got 40. Did you get in a little bit before me?
I don't think so. When I said I was getting in, I got in. I'm
Let's see.
running.
Let's see where I filled.
Oh, you know what it did, man? This thing switched back to the demo. It switched back to the demo. It switched back again. What is going on?
I got in at 3381.3.
It's not allowing me to go onto my regular accounts.
Is it because you haven't switched to the new contract?
What's the new contract?
GCQ5.
I'm on GCQ5, but I'm looking for the contract for the micro.
Oh, I don't know what that one's called.
Do something, man. What is going on? Oh, we got a problem today, man.
Come on, E-Man. Ooh, heading up again. Pushing through these resistances.
Yeah. This is getting a little bit scary. All right, so I'm on. That's where I'm at. See if this thing is working correctly.
Might be a little choppy getting up through here, but it looks like it's got the strength.
Yeah, I think it's going to break these resistances.
Yeah.
A lot of people out just now.
Yeah.
They don't know any better. MGCQ. For some reason I had a bunch of tabs up at the top with the different currencies basically, and it was jumping to the different ones.
Right.
You're on GCQ, right?
GCQ5, yep.
GCQ5, all right. I just lost that money. I was on GCQ5, but I was on 5 contracts
Oh, wow.
because I thought I was trading it on the mini,
Yeah.
right?
So did that did you take a win or a loss?
I went, it was a win, but I wind up getting $4 out of it from 120 to $5. That's one thing I don't like about Trade-O-Rate. It keeps my parameters keep switching.
think it wants to keep going up, but it has to break through last week's high. It's where we were when it was up here. It was hitting last week's high.
We might have a buy coming in if it continues. Continues. Let's see.
You getting in?
Yeah, just wait for one more candle. That'll tell me. Which is right on the channel, right?
Yep.
That'll help us to avoid that.
Yeah.
Right.
Good morning, guys.
Hey, Rock.
Oh,
You know,
How was your weekend?
pretty good. Actually, really good. Yeah.
Good.
How's yours?
Not bad.
great.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah.
It's a nice climb up last night, huh?
Yeah. So, missed that.
I made a few pips last night.
Oh, you were up late.
No. Just like in the beginning.
Oh, yeah.
If anything, just right at the beginning, and then I can't be staring at the screen all night.
Yeah.
That drop just suckered a lot of traders, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
Everything said it was going up. They didn't wait. And they got caught. They hit the top of that channel and it turned right around.
Yeah. Overall,
Well, you could tell Mary I'll have that information for this afternoon so she can open her account, Rock.
Oh, great. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. She's excited.
She's excited, huh?
Yeah.
Good.
is she gonna open with Ox?
I have to figure something out with Ox because I've gotten an email from them saying that the new MT5, the new demos are going to be opened on MT5 server.
Uh-huh.
And I said to them, what does that mean? Does that mean you no longer have MT4s? And one lady said, yeah, I think we still have MT4s. I said, you can't think, you got to know. You know what I mean? Like, do you have MT4s or don't you have MT4s? You know? So I'm waiting on a
Yeah, it's
email. Heading back to where we started. So it should be touching your WM3, correct, Mike?
No, WR1, but it's WR1 is at
Yeah,
30,
WR1, I'm sorry.
3350.8, or more or less 3351. So
Okay.
it's three pips above that.
3 pips above it. We got one of that.
We've got about 7 minutes for the 8 o'clock candle. Looks like it wants to come back up and play patty cake.
Yep. the channel's been holding it.
Yeah. Three minutes for the 8 o'clock.
It's a nice shout out to Jeff.
Yeah.
A plea.
Might be going up here.
All right, 50 seconds. Who wagers the 8 o'clock candle will drive us up, and who wagers it will drive us down?
No. I say down because it's already heading down.
Yeah. That'd be my guess.
Where are the retail traders at?
54% long.
Oh, now it's going up.
One, there it is, 8 o'clock.
There you go. It shoots up. Nah. Okay.
Not aggressively, but
Yeah.
I think it's a buy.
gonna buy?
Yeah.
Let
Can't
me
hurt.
know let me know if you're in.
Tell you in a second. Try to just break that little distance there.
Hmm.
Nope.
Here it comes back around. think it wants to go up, but it's having trouble breaking through.
Yeah.
It wants to go out, but it has to get its hair done, its nails clipped before it's going to go out. Wow, wake me up when the paint dries.
Yeah. Something's holding it down.
Roll out the barrel, we'll have a barrel of fun. Roll out the barrel, we got those blues on the run.
There's news today and all that. There should be action, yeah.
At 10 there's some news, yeah.
Yeah.
And then at 1 p.m., Jay Powell speaks.
Oh, wow. Okay.
All right, here's maybe thinking about that buy again.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna take it.
Say when you're in.
I'm in.
Mhm.
I'm in 2030. Let's see.
What with 100? What the hell? I don't know what happened here.
Out with 100 also, but
Same here.
I don't know if I got anything.
So what did I do here? I did something wrong. I'll figure out what I did.
What do you mean?
I was in. I clicked the wrong button to get out. Hmm. Guess it got me out with 15 instead of 100. So I clicked buy. I got in. And when it got to 100, I meant to be clicking exit, but I clicked buy again.
Oh,
And I'm not sure what happens there. Or
it'll
if it
just double the account.
Yeah, I don't think it did that though.
Did you click buy and then click exit?
I clicked buy and then I clicked buy again, and then I looked like I was in drawdown and I waited for it to come back. It gave me 20. I clicked, and that's when I clicked exit.
But the other buy might have been negative.
Yeah, I don't
The
think so.
second buy. You know what I mean?
Oh, yeah, I see what you're saying.
So if you clicked one and one was in profit, one was in negative, you exit both trades and you lost.
No, I gained, but not very much.
Not very much because of the
Yeah.
offset.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that's probably what happened.
But in my Top Step account, I gained 120.
Okay, good. Let's start logging our trades. What we're going to do is write down 10 trades for the day, right?
Mm-hmm.
When you took them and what you made, so we can see what kind of time frame in between the trades we're taking. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I already do that. Yep.
You do that, all right. Where's your FX trend looking like?
Top 6 are green. Next one's red. The bottom 2 are green.
Okay. 2 pips away from the high of the day on the spot. And 43.85, 2 pips away from the high of the day on the futures, which doesn't look like nothing's happening. Did you ever pick a name, Rock, or no?
Did I? I haven't earned a name yet.
I hear you.
Mike is, he's leaning towards Hedgehammer.
Hedgehammer.
Hedgehammer. Yeah, I like that one.
I'm
Hedgehammer.
more soft rock, yacht rock.
You don't want that one. You don't want that one.
No, that's a bad one, Rock.
I know. I knew what I was saying.
Your theme song could be Peter Gabriel, I want to be
He
your
is.
Hedgehammer.
Yeah, man. I got to see him during that tour.
Oh, wow.
That was great.
Hedgehammer. I was telling ChatGPT that I'm the Barcelona trader, and it said, you have to show up every session and earn that name.
Didn't say that?
Yeah, ChatGPT said that.
Wow. That's crazy. Call me crazy, but it seems like even though we're on an uptrend, it's the downs that's moving. The pullbacks are tiresome.
Yeah. Right, we're at 8:15 now.
The conservative one in Poland, huh?
Yeah.
Who's that?
The guy that Trump recommended or something, whatever. Trump backed.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It was a, nose hair, it's very close, but, and then the progressive had declared victory earlier. It was that close.
Wow.
Yeah.
I saw one was speaking at once. He said, "Hey, Poland's for Poland. We don't want anybody else here." Just no. I saw Trump say yesterday, um, yesterday, Biden was a bad guy. He's a vicious,
Yeah.
devious, bad guy. I don't feel sorry for him because he got cancer. Why would you feel sorry for a guy like that? Who would ever say something like that? Trump would say something like that.
But
Absolutely.
did you see that tweet where he said Biden is a clone?
Yeah, the real Biden was assassinated.
Yeah, he was executed in 2020.
Trump tweeted that?
Yep,
Yeah, yeah,
When?
a couple
just
days
a
ago.
couple days ago.
Christ.
He's gone, man.
Well, there are people who are, if you ask a MAGA supporter, he's trolling them.
Oh,
Yeah, they said he's doing it for his base.
Oh yeah,
that's insane. Still, it's
yeah,
insane.
yeah.
That's the
But
stuff they want to believe in.
yeah, but MAGAs will be like he's trolling the Democrats by tweeting that stuff. I don't know.
Why can't he just be a unifying president for everyone?
What?
Yeah, I know. I'm delusional. I'm delusional.
He can't be a unifying president for everyone because he's only for himself. He don't care about the Republicans either.
Nope,
Yeah.
you don't.
Might get a buy here. Oh no, we're too heavily into resistance levels.
Yeah.
Once we're at the top of the market, which hasn't been proven to be broken yet.
Right.
You see this bobby pin?
Yeah.
You see that?
Yep.
I've had this since I was 7 years old.
That bobby pin?
Yeah.
Why is that your sentimental bobby pin?
I don't know, man. When I was 7, I was like, I took this bobby pin. You remember the old TVs
Yeah.
with the tubes in the back?
Yeah.
I was at my grandmother's house and all the family was there and we were watching TV and I went behind the TV and took the bobby pin and stuck it in. Got electrocuted.
Ooh.
And I was stuck. And she came and hit me with a broom. Boom.
Oh wow.
And then she beat me with the broom. For doing it. And for some reason I've had this bobby pin ever since.
Wow.
It just stays with me.
Huh.
Yeah.
I think my oldest possession is a solar powered calculator that I had, in high school.
Wow.
Wow.
I
I
still
remember
have it.
those.
Yeah. Casio.
Nice.
It wants to go up, but it just having a trouble.
Yeah, it's got these resistances. Even if it starts moving up in this area, it just like it's going to be choppy.
Yeah, it's got to have momentum to break them. Even though, if I'm looking at it right, it looks like some of those resistance were broke on the 5 minute. I thought I saw more than that earlier. Oh,
All right.
there it goes.
So looks like a wishful buy to me.
Yeah. We're at the top of the day.
Yeah. We're heading into the bear volume right above on the 5-minute chart.
wants to break this.
Yeah.
I think it's breaking it. Time it
Yeah.
out.
You guys getting in?
I'm in. I said I was in.
Oh, I didn't hear that.
You didn't hear me?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Good,
Got
just profit.
in.
That was $100 profit. I'm $30. But I got faith. I'm gonna keep hope alive.
Come on. There we go.
Yep.
Not my pips.
Ah,
Wow.
Jesus.
You still in, Rock?
Yeah.
What about you, Mike?
No,
No.
I didn't get in.
You never got in?
No. What'd you take?
I took 85.
Good trade. Yeah, I just didn't trust it.
I got greedy. I could have gotten out with 50 or something. Come on. Uh, uh, sure, nice. Oh, there she goes.
All right, Barcelona traders going on a cookie run to the kitchen. Be right back.
Okay. Ah, it's
You still
200 in
in
the
it?
negative. Yeah. I don't.
It'll go back up. If you can hold it, if you can afford to hold it.
Yeah.
Are you trading micros or are you trading standard lots?
A standard lot. Yep, this is getting out of hand.
Is it going to be a sell?
I don't really want to go against the trend because with these futures, it's devastating when it does.
1 minute to the 8:30.
Let's look for a pullback. The 830 candle. Think I'm gonna buy. Need one more confirmation. That's why we wait.
$8.31.
Output 60.
All right.
Right. About with 80.
That was really a scenic route, man.
Yeah.
So I saw a guy on YouTube yesterday who was had a $7,000 payment from FTMO 1 month, and then the next month he had another like $7,000 or $8,000 payment from FTMO. The following month he made $128,000,
Yeah,
and FTMO looked for every reason not to
not
pay.
to pay them. Really, they're good.
Ultimately, they paid him 40, or they only docked him $41,000, but they paid him the rest.
Why did he
And
dock him though? Did he
uh,
say?
yeah, they said that he had risked more than 1% on a trade, and he never does. He says what I did was there was a run up, and he opened one trade, closed it, opened another trade, closed it, opened another trade, closed it, but they wanted to count that as all one trade. And at least the way he explained it, I'll send you the video.
Mhm.
And now they have added additional rules for him. Like, he said he was buying gold. He said the trend was an uptrend.
Mhm.
So I was only placing buys. And they said, you have to place some sells too.
That doesn't make sense.
Why would I place sells in a trending market that's going up?
Right. That doesn't make sense.
Right. So, yeah, I think these prop firms, they pay you out a few times, but if you're becoming a big liability for them, they start making the rules difficult for you. So I think the right move with these prop firms is to, get your payouts while you can, they'll pay you the first few out or something, and use that money to start your own account.
Yeah.
Your own account at Trade of Eight or whatever.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah. That whenever you're subject to somebody's rules like that, it's not good. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Especially if you're going to rely on this as your income.
Right.
Yeah. And that's the same principle I was telling you about what's my brain is not working. Keeping the account small.
Mm-hmm.
You remember?
Yeah.
died out on us, guys.
Got the Monday morning blues.
Yeah. I'm still up about $1,200 for the day from yesterday.
From yesterday? That's great.
I would have been
Nice.
up. I lost 500 messing with E-Man. Mike, when it Rock, when it opened yesterday at 6, Mike had texted me a couple of minutes before. I wasn't even going to get on. I
Yeah.
was going to wait until a little later because he said he was going to be late.
Uh-huh.
But I sat down, so let me just get on because he texted me.
Uh-huh.
Market shot up.
Yeah.
I jumped on and made almost $1,700.
Wow.
And then while I was trading it,
Uh-huh.
E-Man called and
Mhm.
said, I got a problem with my account, blah, blah, blah. And as I'm talking to him, he's sending me texts. I look up, I'm $500 negative. I've lost $500. I'm like, come on, man.
That's E-Man.
I said, I got to stop taking
Yeah.
calls while I'm trading.
Well, for sure.
I wasn't watching. Was anybody watching this move?
I'm watching it.
Wasn't worth taking.
It's right in the resistances of the 5-minute and the 15-minute Hakanashi and the 15-minute daily pivot chart
Gotcha.
and the 1 hour and the 4 hour. You know, you could take them, but I call those like C setups.
What's Mary's last name again, Rock?
Fitzgerald.
Do me a favor, can you text it to me? Her
Yeah.
and Gail's last name?
Gail, yeah,
Both of them, yeah. I got yours. Yours is Kohli, right?
that's correct. Yeah.
Code.
Texting you both.
$63. We're at the top of the market. It's got to have some momentum. Wait for it to come back down to the swing low. Take a buy.
You might get your wish.
Yeah. Texted.
Thanks, man. Great.
Who's taking the buy?
Okay.
A buy?
Yeah.
Yep.
You in?
No,
Wait
not
for one
yet.
more candle.
Yeah.
Just gonna wait on one more candle.
Yeah.
Not playing nice.
No.
No. Oh yeah. That one. Mhm.
You know it wants to go up. Just stop playing games. I said that. See it go down. It's like, okay, want to talk shit about us?
It doesn't want to come up now.
We actually should have waited. It was in the box on the 1 minute, Mike.
Yeah.
We just pulled the trigger too soon.
Uh-oh. There she goes. It'll come up, I think.
Yeah,
I don't know.
Mike's not gonna hold though.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna hold. I have to. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yo. Okay. Let's see.
How's it looking to you, Tono?
I still think it might go up, to be honest with you. I mean, we're on an uptrend. It's just, just did a pullback. Looking at the wrinkle still seems to want to be pointing up.
There's just no volume right now.
Just no volume, exactly. It's like weak volume, so it's not pushing where it needs to go, but I don't think it's turned yet.
Yeah.
That's the question.
Moving in the right direction slowly. Yeah.
Slowly.
Where are you guys in?
Yeah, we're all in.
Where?
I'm in at 33.86.8.
I'm in at 33.87. Where would you pull the trigger to get out?
Let me see, where are we? We're at 33.60 on there. 33.60. I think if it breaks that swing, that support at 33.84 is on this 10-second chart.
Mm-hmm.
It might, because that's the bottom of the channel as well. I think I
Yeah.
would probably think about getting out there.
Mm-hmm.
It was a bad trade to take because 33.63. Yeah, different charts. We'll see. It's trying to put us out of the trade. I was definitely trying to get us out of the trade. I'm gonna hold, but I think that's probably where your limit would be. What's your negative on it so far?
260. Why are you gonna hold?
Because I'm on a micro right now.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't put it on my main account.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? So I'm only at $100 negative,
Mm-hmm.
so I can afford to hold it a little bit longer.
Uh-oh.
There, I broke it.
You still in?
I'm still in.
Yeah. What's your number?
380.
Don't break your rules.
Yeah. Let's see if it comes back up above these supports, and if not,
Yeah. And this is why I was saying, Mike, you got to drop to the micros because I'm only at 160.
yeah.
You know what I mean? That's a big difference.
Yeah. So now it's. Did you get out, Mike?
Yep.
That's smart. That's smart.
You're still in, Rock?
Yeah, I'm still in.
And you're trading full lot, right?
Yeah.
So where you at?
350 negative. But I made like 90 before or 80 before or something. Maybe 50 or 60, I forget. Uh-oh. Yeah, this is not. What if I turn this into a sell instead? You think that's gonna?
It's hard to say. All right, so I'm about to get out.
Yeah, no. This is not. This is like.
Could hit the bull volume and turn around, but
Yeah,
it already broke the channel.
yeah.
Somewhat.
Mm.
I think the market flipped.
What the hell? Let me try a sell on this. Fuck it. No, it just negated the thing. It didn't give me a sell. I can go into a sell now.
No, you got to hit that button, the gray button, and do reverse.
On trade evade?
Yeah, you see where it says the exit at market and close. If you hit the
Oh.
drop down menu, it'll reverse it and put you into a sell.
Oh, okay. I don't see that yet. I'll figure it out.
The gray button.
The gray button next to the sell buy?
Yeah, if you see the drop down menu, the little arrow. Yeah, click on that arrow. Like instead of clicking on the button.
That's not the one. I'm looking at the wrong one.
No, it's the one right across from you got the buy and sell.
Yes.
You got the number, whatever lot size you're trading. And then there's the gray exit button. It should have an arrow on it.
Gray exit. Hold on.
I'll take a
Buy,
picture of it.
sell. Okay.
The gray button has a drop down.
Right. I heard that, but I.
I just sent it to you.
Okay.
You see it?
Yeah, I don't have that on my screen.
You don't?
I don't. I don't have a buy market, sell market thing. It says sell. It says buy. Here, I'll show.
You're looking, I believe, at Trading View, and you're trading off.
Oh, he's looking at Trading View.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's
yeah,
why.
No, you don't have
That's
that.
why I asked you. Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry.
This is what my screen looks like. I will touch you back.
Yeah. In order to do that on Trading View, you have to
Just click on a sell again.
yeah.
No, there's a when you see your entry on the chart,
Yeah.
on the right side of your entry on the chart, there's an X for you to get out of the trade.
Right. Yeah.
On the right side, there's this little squiggly arrow thing, which is your reverse button.
Oh, okay.
You'll see it next time you trade.
Okay. All right. Yeah. I'll remember that and I'll ask you in the middle of it.
1 minute for the 9 o'clock.
What a bummer.
Ah, now it starts to go up.
Yeah.
Thinking about a sell here.
Kind of feels as though it did reverse on us.
Oh yeah,
Did you take it?
I did. I'll probably get out with just a little bit.
Let me try it. What the hell? What the? Okay.
Got out with 30.
Nice.
Could have taken more, but I got nervous.
Could have gotten out at 40, but now Jesus, not again. Not again. All right. Let's see.
It wasn't a good sell, as Tono said just as I clicked the button.
It's okay. It's all right.
We had just bounced from that level a little while ago.
Let's see if it goes back. Yeah. Doesn't look like it's going to go back immediately. So there we go.
We can push through this and the swing low here on the 10-second.
Out with 30.
Good.
Could have gotten out with 70.
Did you say that your WR1 is somewhere around here, Mike?
It's at 3351.
51, all right. don't understand why we're stuck. You know what I mean?
Here we go.
Who took a sell?
I did.
Mike did.
Nice.
A little early. But
Let's see where it's going. Sure. Yeah, but it's still not a bad move, I think.
it was early.
Actually, yeah, I don't know
Yeah.
now. Yeah.
You should have waited for a second confirmation below the swing
Yep.
low.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. I'm glad I didn't go in.
Yep.
But it's not.
It's not over.
Oh
yet.
yeah, it's coming back. Yeah, yeah.
We'll see. I'm not optimistic right now. I was.
What opens at 9:15? Nothing.
Nothing. I'm thinking this isn't going to come back down.
It can go either way, the way it's moving.
Wow. Nothing happening.
Mm-mm.
Come on down. Come on down. Gotta stop jumping the gun on these.
Yeah, it was not a bad trade. It just, you could have waited for one more candle.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But it wasn't a bad call. It was a good call. We just waited one more candle.
Are you holding, Mike?
I am.
Good.
But if I have to close this one at a loss,
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna call it a day because this will be my second loss for the day, and I don't want to.
Okay.
I want to keep punishing myself.
Right.
If I can just come get below this channel. It kind of wants to come have mercy on me.
Yeah, it's trying. There it is.
Yep. Took 90 on that.
Good. Good. Every time you want to get in on your trade, say, I'm hold for one more candle.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Just
about
hold, just say, I'll just wait for this for the next candle. And
Yep.
it'll let you know whether you're right or wrong.
All right, 1 minute for the 9:30. Five, four, three, two, one. Opening bell.
Drops.
And gold's gonna take a dive. Okay.
Output 70.
Nice.
Tried to get out at 110, but it slipped me.
Crap, you come back down. I did not get out. Is it not going to come back for me?
It probably will. It's the same ride you just took.
Yeah, but now that the market's open, I thought that it had a little more push down.
No.
Damn it. Gonna keep going.
I guess that's it for me for the day, man.
Any thoughts on whether this might come back?
I think it's just been bouncing back and forth, so I think it'll come back. I think it's at the what is it, 60? I mean, the worst case scenario is 63 is the top of the market. Are you trading $100 pips?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a long thing to hold. How far are you negative now?
Oh, 1100.
1100?
Yeah.
You broke your rule, man.
Yep.
You're 1,100 down on futures?
Yep.
That's okay.
But you put money in too, right?
What do you mean? No, I was already down a little bit for the day, but yeah, I had some good
Okay.
trades. If it comes back from here, this swing high, then good. If it breaks that, I'm just gonna have to take the loss.
Yeah, it's hitting the bull volume right now, right? So it should come right back down. It's just playing though that it's playing the was that 87-ish down to what'd you get in at?
I'm down at 33.75.5.
Yeah, that's the channel. You know,
Yeah.
you're at the bottom of the channel and it's at the top of the channel, so it might just come right back down. Unless it gets some volume, it'll keep pushing up. But I don't see that right now. I wouldn't have had a great day if I didn't have yesterday's to hold it up.
Yeah.
I mean, I made money, but it wasn't like really good money. So you're at the top of your channel now, Mike.
Yep.
Should if it doesn't turn around here, you better get out.
Yeah. We're also at the MM3.
What's that? The oh yeah, that don't turn around. It's gonna have momentum behind it.
Yeah.
Or it might creep down. And you're just gonna hold it and just
Yeah, it's pushing through.
it's hitting the resistance on the 1 minute and 5 minutes and 15 minute
Yeah.
and the 1 hour. So it's waiting for you to close your trade so it can go down.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a text from the futures people. They're waiting for Mike to close his trade. So,
Yeah. Are you still in, Rock?
no, I'm not in. I didn't take it.
If it breaks the channel, I would get out, Mike.
Yeah, it has broken it, hasn't it?
No, it's still on the 10-second.
Oh,
Sure.
that channel keeps readjusting.
Oh, it does, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Well, we're at the top of it. Well, see what happens. Ringo just formed a small resistance. That's a good sign, and it seems to be dying out. I don't like how all the candles are still green
pushing
on
up.
me. Not-
All right.
That's what you're waiting on.
There we go.
You're out?
Yep.
Nah. Yeah, that's what I meant. Are you coming back at 1? Or you done?
Yeah, if I'm in the right headspace, I'll come back at 1.
All right, text me, let me know.
All right.
And we'll get on a little later, talk about whatever what we're
Yep.
gonna talk about.
Okay.
All right, gentlemen.
All right, guys. Have a good
Take
one.
care.
See ya.
Take care.
Bye.